Okay, so I'm going to do a PA on yesterday and today's on Australian Japan. Okay, so first of all, there's during yesterday New York session, I tried to go long with this Australian Japan. Overall, the trend is down. However, the 1 hour time frame, the big boy is a downtrend, while the temporary trend is up. So when the price, there's these trap sellers over here, which shows that it struggles, and it launched up, came back down without any signs of struggling. I actually didn't try to long here. So as we can see, the price came down to these trap sellers over here. Then it fails to make another low, and as we can see, during this area here, when it broke the high, I tried to go long at this area. Over here, when it fails to go down, try to body for a continuation, but it actually is a very bad trade. The reason being is okay. There's a two-legged refresh. Two-legged refresh. Try to take it up. Over the price crashed down immediately, and I got stopped up. And I just scratched the trade. So nothing much, not much harm done. Then in the next day, Asian session, I actually due to the fact that it become as you can see, here's the V formation. This is the struggle test, make a new low, came back down. As long as never break this high, is a lower time frame downtrend, low time frame channel, and high time frame downtrend. So I actually put a order here and take it down here, getting a kind of like a 5R trade. However, later on in the London session, I'm actually not focusing on trading yet, but as you can see, price, actually you think about it, now you think about it, is just trap buyers, price quickly shot back up without struggle. Why didn't I try to short this? This is what I can do better. Is similar to this concept. Is that, like you see, you think about it, it's similar. Here is a trap sellers, buyer come back down. He tries, fail. So when this come down, price came down. Now it's a seller's market. The last guy who started it here. So when price came back up here without any struggle, can actually try put the stop here, try and see how it goes. Let the trade run. Then when it came down here, you can close the trade. Another so in New York session, actually I could have entered a trade here. Cause you think about it is that, first of all, for this case, right, is when it came back down to the halfway point, then it got shut down immediately, and it made a lower low. Shows that there's trap. It's the same like this. There's trap. Then when it came back down, it shot back down. Okay. So here, and this one entry wise is okay. This one entry wise is okay. Another 5R. So it's however, this is what I did. So what can I do better is entry good, direction good. What I do well is direction is good, position size is good. Exit wise, I would say is fine. Here is fine. As long as you got 2 or 3R, you can just take a profit. You don't have to really be that greedy. Then it's just a fine tune. So what's this trade? This is a trend continuation trade. Yeah, I just set 1, set 2. We just set 2 to die. Come back down. This set 1, set 2. Trend continuation. And there's all these bounce trade. We have done this bounce trade. Set 1, set 2, and bounce trade. This is kind of like a cheese trade. Okay. So kind of trust my position. I should trust my analysis and go with the trend. I think I just need to see the price of breaking the trend, like here also. Okay, so next, so there's two kind of trade. I actually trying to either go long New Zealand, Japan, or go short Australia, Japan. But it seems like the reason why I want to go long New Zealand, Japan is also a mistake. Is that first of all the trend is down, so I only take down trade. Then secondly, there's this guy, right, who tried to push out already. So if in this case the buyers if is correct, the buyers wouldn't come so low, and it will have went back up after he tries again. He tries here, but he failed again. Then I actually tried going long here. It's kind of bad, I would say, unless it shows signs of him going back up. So New Zealand, Japan, yen, this is actually a bad trade, as you can see that it makes lower low, lower high. Yeah, I tried to go long here. This I lucky I got out at this area here. This is a bad trade. Why is it a bad trade? Because How's even though first of all this is a counter trend. Secondly is even though this volume is high, he tried to come out here and he got rejected quickly. That's number two. Number three is he tried to take it up, but he failed. So why would he try again at here? That's number four. So entry wise, very bad. So now it's like book, like what I need to do is learn the flow of the market to know when to exit, when to scratch, when to hold. As you can see, this is a successful trend continuation trade. Here, track, come back here, can sell again. You can keep trading trap areas. Don't really have to